Up to 45% of your home's energy can be lost through an inadequately insulated attic. Now, if your attic looks something like this, you may think you're in pretty good shape, but then again, maybe not. According to the Department of Energy, most attics have between 3 inches and 6 inches of insulation. But they recommend up to 12 to keep those heating and air conditioning bills down in most parts of the country. Now, if the insulation in your attic looks like this, that is, the top of the insulation is below the top of the joist, then you'll need to add more insulation in this direction to bring it up flush with the top. If you have to add more insulation, don't use this type with the paper vapor barrier. That can trap moisture between the layers. Instead, use this, insulation wrapped in a breathable, perforated poly sleeve. Once the cavities between the joists are full of insulation, additional layers are applied perpendicular to the joists. Well, you can save money, be more comfortable, and add resale value to your home. How's that for payback?